Yeah.
Okay.
The baby is not crying. We need to move fast.
Ready? What is the first step?
Check the timer. Start the clock now.
Timer started. It is 10 seconds.
Good. Now dry the baby. Use the warm towel.
I am drying the baby now. Still no breath.
I see fluid in the mouth. Suction now. Clear the nose too.
Suctioning the mouth. No, now the nose. Done.
Okay. Dry the baby again. Rub the back and the feet.
Come on, baby. Breathe. Look, he is moving.
Check the timer.
How long? It is 45 seconds. The baby is starting to gasp.
Listen, the baby is crying. Good job.
He is peeing now. That rate is good.
Mrs. Lu, your baby is crying. It's okay now.
Okay deh.